Hello, swing trading evening daily routine. So at the end of the day, you will pull your transaction history to do your swing trading record keeping, and then you'll analyze the chart. So we are going to use the daily transactions for Friday, November 22, 2024 to do our record keeping for that day. So we are going to have our Friday transactions on one side and our swing trading spreadsheet on one side as well. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 sales, 1 purchase on Friday. So let's start with the first one is KC. So we'll go to our spreadsheet here and we'll go to the K to the C. We bought it on the 12th. We'll remove the committed amount, and we sold it on the 22nd. And 6 shares. And the fee is 7 cents. For the profit of $61. So the second one was sold. I don't know if you recall, if you watched yesterday's video, the routine, we purchased deck. We purchased 2 shares of deck by mistake instead of 10. Well, let's check how much we made on that 2 shares. I was thinking if it's like $5 profit, I will just sell it and get out of it. But let's take a look at it. It was way more than that, and I was surprised, and then made me wonder if I have purchased 10 that are 10, like to be that 2,000 per trade. 2,000 per trade requirement that we set for ourselves. How much the profit will have been. So we'll go to deck. And by the way, we have a playlist on swing trading that will be in the description and at the end of the video as well, if you want to watch more of this series that we are doing on a daily basis. D, is there a really enough? A, B, C, D. They are organized alphabetical by the symbol. Okay, I think there should have been before E, right? I think there is correction there that needs to be made. But we bought it on the 21st. We bought 2 shares. because I think there was like, we used to buy 2 and then they had a split, and we should have bought more than 2, but we bought 2. And it's during the recording that I noticed that I purchased 2 instead of how much would make it to 2,000. So we'll put that 2 that we sold. So the next day we sold it right away when we got a profit. We didn't commit a $2,000 for this trade, therefore I won't expect $25 profit from it either. So I was just hoping that a small profit we will just sell it. So the fee is a penny, and you see the profit is $22.29 on those 2 shares. That's 6% return. It is not common, but it can happen. And when we get to stock analysis, we should be able to see deck there, DECK there. Okay, so the next one is FI. So we bought it. So we'll go to the left where we record the sales. We'll copy the last transaction of FI. And we can just insert copy save. Last time we bought it was on the 8th. I don't know when we sold it, but again now we bought it on the 22nd, and we bought 14, and the price is went up. We will record the amount committed. We didn't sell it, so we will clean up that area. The last time we sold it was on the 11th. Okay. So the next one we sold it as well, MSI. We'll go to the buy section and scroll to the MSI M section. And we sold it, so that means we already have a spot for it. We bought it on the 15th. We'll remove that committed amount since we sold it, and we sold it on the 20. Did they say we bought it on the 15th? You don't buy something on the 15th and sell on the 8th, right? Or is it 18 there? So we bought it on the 15th. Oh, okay, it's this one. And we sold on the 22nd. The 5 share for a little bit less than what we traded for before then. I was comparing that price to this one. The fee is 7 cents. For a profit of $55. The next one is MR. So we will go up a little bit. And I believe we sold it as well. So we bought it on the 18th. And we sold it on the 22nd. And let's copy it so that we can keep the decimal point in case it's not just 2 decimal point there, to avoid mistakes, typo mistakes as well. So the fee is 0.06, and the profit is $28 on that. That's the profit right there, which is taking the profit divided by the cost, that the amount we pay for it. So the next one is cats. So we sold it, so that means we have a spot for it already here. So we bought it on the 21st. Interesting, I didn't even recall. So we sold it, and we sold it on the next day, the 10th. Let's copy everything there and paste it. The price went down from the previous time. The fee 11 cents and $56.99. Let's see the okay, so that $56 divided by how much we pay for it initially, $3,900, gave us that 1%, that 1.46% return, and only one day. Okay, so now we have, let's save it. Now we have our transactions for Friday recorded. We will analyze the chart to have stocks pick up for Monday. So we are going to go down here, and I like to add recording. That way I know that I have this recorded as well. And as you can see, I don't know if you recall, during the previous few days we didn't sell. Oh, yesterday we sold quite a bit as well, and the day before that we didn't sell anything, and we sold 2. So you can see that some days you might sell, some days you may not, some days you might buy, some day you may not. And this is Friday, so that's why I put the date Friday there, even though we are doing the recording on Saturday the 23rd. So let's save everything, and let's make sure we got our recording done well here. Let's go to the monthly and make sure our numbers are matching, and we can just lower this for now, and we'll go to our, in fact we should have this one open, and we'll have our watch list open as well. So let's minimize our watch list a little bit to see if stocks that we place in order to buy or to sell, if all of them gone through. I feel like some didn't go through or something, I'm not sure, but let's put it here. Okay, I tried to make in blue what was highlighted that are sold or placed the order to sell. So here I'm seeing cat sold for us. In fact, I should start from the beginning. Okay, so cat was highlighted and we sold it. Good. If anything, I can just go through it one by one and just turn them into black. And then Casey, I placed the order to sell Casey. Casey went through as well. And this is just to avoid not thinking we have something in our portfolio and not analyze it to buy more when the occasion presents itself. So let's see what else we try to sell. So we try to buy a ball for us. So this one and another one are two that we found the day before. This one purchased for us. So we are going to turn it black. And we will continue. So we try to sell this one, and yeah, it sold it for us. So we can change the color to black to normal colors that we have there on the sheets, and we will continue. We try to sell MSI. MSI is sold for us, so we can change the color. And this one was one of the second one that we tried to buy yesterday, but yesterday it pulled back. We didn't buy it. We leave it like that for now so we can take a look at it on the chart. So is there something else we try to sell? No, that's it. Okay, so deck, we didn't, hold on, did we come across the, you see, I think I have it in the portfolio, and I will not analyze it when we do not have it in the portfolio anymore. We sold it, so I need to take that highlight out of there because I was not expecting to. So for some reason I totally forgot to take the highlight out of there. We sold it. Sold. Okay, so now we can lower this and we can start analyzing the chart of the stocks that are not highlighted. They are the stocks we can purchase on Monday if they are well positioned for us to buy them. But let's start with NVDA. That one, NVDA, and as you can see, I think for recording purposes I might just have to be making a little big so that you can see it. Yesterday Friday it pulled back again, therefore we didn't buy. But if we go to the other one, FI, that we highlighted to buy, we bought it on that first day. So, and we didn't buy the other one. Okay, so now let's start. In fact, let me think everything should be black ink, and then we can start. So the first one is AJG. So we'll go to here and we'll put AJG. So AJG is still going up, therefore we are not going to we are going to let it continue. Don't know if you recall, but some days ago we sold it. So this arrow here is on this bar. So we sold it, but then it continued. But again, we locked some profits in. We'll go to the next one. The next one is BKNG. BKNG. So BKNG pulled back yesterday. You see the pullback, even though it hit a new price, it pulled back yesterday. So on our spreadsheet, we will make it red. If it start going up on Monday, we will buy it. CAT is the next one. CAT and CL. So CAT is going up, so we cannot do anything now. CL is in a downtrend, so we are not going to do anything. COR and KC. COR has a pullback. But hold on, let me move it and see. Okay, we bought it, we sold it there. We still have this resistance that we still need to surpass. It got there and start a pullback. It just had here and pull back. Monday when it start going up, we will buy it. We see how it's going to do it. We'll see if it's going to continue on this. So we'll make it red. Hold on, let me make this big so that okay. KC is next. So you can see KC is in the green. We are not going to do anything to it. COSC, Costco. Costco is in the green as well, so we are not going to do anything to it. It needs to pull back first. So I'm looking for that red bar. And again, we swing on a daily chart. Every single bar is a daily activities, summary of daily activities, and that is 1 year time frame that we have on our screen. 1 year time frame daily chart. DECK. Okay, we are going to talk about this one. So we bought it the day before. We bought it on Thursday and we sold it on Friday, and you can see this gap up here. That's what allow us, just with 2 shares at $192, we made $22 profit. So we are supposed for $192, we are supposed to spend about $2,000 on the trade. We could have purchased 10 shares. So that 10 share times $22 will have given us about $200 there that we miss for making the mistake of purchasing 2 instead of 10. But there is a gap up there. So it needs to pull back before we go in. So the next one, Google. So Google is I don't know what is going on in Google, but we need to give it a time. I think I'm going to turn this arrow into bar, and we have this long-term trend that we can activate and stretch it further, keeping a 9 on it so that we don't change the where it is. Okay, it's going from, it's kind of long-term trend. It passed by there, and yeah, so we let it be for now. The next one is HD. Oh, come on. So HD has green, therefore we are not going to do anything. It needs to pull back first. Again, the green means the price went up today. The price the stock market opened at was lower than the price the stock market closed at. The price went up. When it's red, the price the stock market opened at was higher than the price the stock market closed at. That means the price went down that day. It's red color on our chart. So we are looking for that red pullback, and then we'll mark it on our spreadsheet, and when it starts going up, that first green bar we will buy it. So LEN. But we have 2 green bars. We are not going to do anything. It's far gone for us to do anything. We are going to wait. So this one is in a certain downtrend here. We are just going to let it be for now, and we'll move to the next one. MAR. So MAR has green going on there. We let it be for now. MCK. Let's see what is going on here. Okay, do you see this trend line here? I don't know, it fell off, but seems to be going from that trend line. So if it goes up Monday, we can buy it. So it has a pullback. After going up few days, it has a pullback. When it starts going up on Monday, we will buy it. So we are going to mark it red. MRK. MRK is in a downturn. We'll leave it alone. MSI. MSI is on the green, so we'll let it be until it pulls back before we can get back in when it starts going up. NVDA. So NVDA pull back. We can extend this line here. It pull back. If it starts going up on Monday, we will buy it. So we'll turn it red on our list. So the next one is ROP. ROP we won't buy because it is fluctuating here. Those currencies are going on. It's a little bit confusing to me. We let it be for now. TRI. Is kind of down here. It needs to go up a little bit before we can do something about it. It's in a downtrend there. VRTX. And VRTX, well, there is a long-term trend here that is following, but it fell off of it. So we need to wait on it to go back up. WMT Walmart is in a green. We leave it a B until it pullbacks before we get in. Do you see the first green bar after the pullback? The first green bar after the pullback is where we buy. So sometimes we will place the order when we see green, but by the end of the day it will turn red as well. It can happen, but a lot of time that green, if you see it around noon, it will remain. So WSO, we have green going on 2 days going up. We let it be until it pull back and start going up. We can get in. So this concludes our chart analysis, and let's see how many stocks we picked for Monday trade. We'll mark them red. We have 1 NVDA, 2 MCK, 3 COR, 4 BKNG. That's good. We have 4 in the list. So that's 4 we picked for Monday. So Monday we will check our account to see if something is positive, and we will sell those after we check the chart analysis for those, and then we'll come here and we'll analyze the chart for those 4 stocks to see which one start going up, has that first green bar after a pullback, and we'll place the order to buy them. But yeah, thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and then asoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. For more of our swing trading evening daily routine and other related swing trading content, would you please check our playlist Swing Trading. It will be in the description and on the end of the video as well, on the screen. Thank you.